friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Cheryl with iStylEMYSTYLE. And today I wanted to give you a quick update on my urban jungle theme here in my lounge and some things that I've changed, some things that I've added, and I don't know, I just thought I would take you along with me as I walk through the process. So I featured a video. It was a clean and decorate with me where I showed you my urban jungle theme here in the lounge. If you missed that video, I will leave that link in the description box down below, as well as in the iCards above. But I got this really neat leopard print that I absolutely fell in love with. And this is what has inspired my urban jungle theme for summer. So I started this for spring and I am going to continue it in summer. So what I've done is add the little planters, and don't mind my nails, I need to get them done. But I have added these little planters that I picked up from IKEA, and I've added the greenery that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. I showed you this deer stag moss from Amazon, and I just added it here to the vase that I picked up from CB2. And then we have a mirror image on this side of the IKEA vase and the greenery from the Dollar Tree. Now I did switch out. This is a faux mantle. I told you guys I created this by using a what is it? A book, not a bookshelf, a floating bookshelf, and I just added it over the fireplace. So the one I had previously was kind of short and I wanted to make it more substantial, so I picked this one up from Amazon. I haven't painted it black yet, and so it's in its natural state as of right now, but I will paint it black, or I might paint it white. I haven't decided yet. So I still have my mirror disco candle holders that I picked up from Ross, but this is how the fireplace is looking for now. I did also add a record player here in the lounge, so we can come in the evenings, play some music, have a couple of cocktails, and just wind down for the evening. So this is how it's looking. But what I have also decided is to extend the urban jungle theme throughout the rest of my home. Nothing big except for my loft. I'm going big in the loft. I'm gonna go big with it. So let me just give you a few inspiration photos that I have been looking at to sort of get some ideas to put my loft together. So you guys know that I love to decorate using green, and I thought an urban jungle theme for summer this year would be perfect. I am loving the deep emerald greens, the natural greens of a jungle rainforest. And so I want to create that particular vibe and mood for my home this summer. So yes, this will be something a little different for me. I'm not going to go all out. I am going to sprinkle a little bit of the urban jungle theme throughout my home. As you can see here in my living room, I have just added a touch of greenery in this DIY vase I did a few weeks ago, and if you missed that video, I will leave that linked in the description box down below. But just very subtle hints of jungle here in my family room, but in my loft and in my lounge, you are going to get a true urban jungle theme. I am going to be adding lots and lots of plants and maybe even a hint of color. Yes, I said color. So make sure you hit the subscribe button, tap the notification bell, so you do not miss any upcoming summer decorating videos. I hope to inspire you in your summer decorating inspiration. So here in my bookcase is where I am going to do the urban jungle theme the most. So you can see it's black and white, and I'm going to add some greenery to create that jungle theme. I am also going to, sorry about the lighting, change out the curtains. We're just gonna make it a very moody, urban jungle vibe up here. So if you are interested to see how it's going to turn out, make sure you hit the subscribe button, tap the notification bell, become a member of the iStyleMyStyle family, and I hope to see you in the next one.